Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared sweet vada for Diwali. So this is a traditional recipe that we normally prepare for many festivals. Here I have washed and soaked urad dal. Urad dal is black gram dal. You need to wash it at least thrice and then add fresh water and allow the urad dal to soak for a minimum of 1 hour. The urad dal should double in volume. Once it is doubled in volume, drain that excess moisture or the water using a colander. Once all that moisture has drained out, allow it to sit in the colander for 15 minutes. You can see the urad dal is still moist but it is wet. Now at this point we'll start grinding it. I've added small batches of the urad dal to a mixer jar and we will grind it into a smooth paste by adding just 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. I've done a detailed recipe on medu vada. In my medu vada recipe video, I posted lot of tips. So if you're preparing medu vada for Diwali, do follow that video also. Here you can see my batter, urad batter is ready. I'm also going to prepare some sugar syrup. So the urad batter, we will add salt, beat it nicely using a spoon and reserve it. The more you beat, the more air it incorporates and your vadas will be nice and fluffy. So in my medu vada video recipe, I have done all this. I have given many tips over there. So do follow that recipe. So here you can see my batter is done. It's nice and fluffy. Now I'll start preparing the sugar syrup. In a wok I've added 1 cup of water and I've allowed the water to boil nicely. Now I've added sugar and cardamom pods. I've also added 1 clove. So now we'll keep stirring and prepare a sugar syrup. Prepare slightly thicker sugar syrup. It should be slightly thicker than the gulab jamun sugar syrup that we prepare normally. So here you can see my sugar syrup is ready. I have removed it from the flame and allowed it to rest for some time. Now I'll start preparing my vadas. I've heated a wok with oil. Now I'll gently take a tiny amount of the batter. I'll pinch and add the vadas to the hot oil. We need to fry the vadas for every 2 minutes on each side on low to medium flame. Don't place it on high flame, your vadas will burn. So once your oil has reached temperature, place it on medium flame, then add the vadas and fry it on low to medium flame and keep flipping it every 2 to 3 minutes. You can see once I've added the vada batter to the hot oil, it immediately puffs up. So that's how fluffy the batter is. This recipe is sufficient for 2 to 3 people and this is wonderful dessert especially for Diwali season. So try this, it's very nice and tasty. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. I've also shared my other social media handle links, that is Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. You can like me and follow me in my other social media. I keep posting all my travel vlogs and more on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. So now you can see my vadas are fried well. Now I'll drain it from the oil and reserve it on a tissue paper. If you're preparing medu vada, friends, prepare this sweet vada also. You'll thoroughly enjoy it. The spicy and the sweet version is excellent. That combination is very nice. So do try the medu vada also. I'll post the medu vada link in the description box below this video. Now you can see my vadas have fried well. I just allowed it to drain on a tissue paper and rest for a few minutes before my second batch is ready. So once the first batch is ready, I'll add it to the sugar syrup and we'll give it a good stir and we will allow the sugar syrup to absorb in the vadas. Now this is the first batch. I'll also add my second batch. So I did prepare only 2 batches of vadas. We were only 2 people who are going to consume this. Once my vadas have absorbed all that sugar syrup, I garnished it with some coconut powder, pistachios and cashews and served it. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.